Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D minifigure of yourself while using AI. Add in your photo and place this prompt. I will put the prompt in the description box down below as per usual. And then here, I'm just going to press submit. Once it's done generating, take it to like a website, like an AI generator that can generate a photo into a video. You can just type the prompt, like make the guy move his paintbrush or something like that. But this is what the final, what the end result looks like. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. It's definitely different than the other minifigures we've done so far on this channel. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.